So one of my favorite is right here. You can park in the Smart and Final right here. And this is Tacos Mar Vista right there. So today we're getting tacos at this taco truck here in Culver City. So normally this place is pretty packed, but today we're here late, so nobody's here. It's like 1:30. If you get here at noon, full of people. So I'm trying something new today. I'm getting Taco Dorado. Lots of different things on the menu. So this taco truck is parked on Venice Boulevard here. It's a little shady here sometimes at night. This one's my favorite so far. $2 taco. Today I got 2 Birrierias, 1 Pastor, and 2 Carnitas. They're gonna be delicious.